Hello, I am Shyam and I am a second year student from Kalsingam University. Here I am going to explain about an app. It will available on Play Store. Okay, first you can see that app. Search for ZEDGE. This is an app. It contains beautiful wallpapers and ringtones. See, 100 downloads. It is beautiful app. Wait 1 minute. It will install and I'll tell something about it. Okay, it is installed. Now you can open this and accept and agree. Okay, if you want to purchase, you can purchase this. Okay, now let's see wallpapers. See, if you search, you want to search for wallpapers. Like I'm interested in dark wallpapers, so I'm searching dark wallpapers. See how many are there. Simply okay, select one of the wallpapers. Like I want this one. If you can get similar styles for this. Okay, next you can simply set it as wallpaper. Like click here set, and set as wallpaper means your home screen wallpaper. Set lock screen means your lock screen wallpaper. See, I set it for wallpaper. See, you can see how beautiful it is. Okay, now I will show how to. Okay, you can remove the ad, and now you can see about ringtones. See how many ringtones are there. Okay, okay, open this and set as which ringtone you want to put for contact, your alarm sound or ringtone. See my ringtone. You can modify in settings if you want to put ringtone. Ringtone updated. That's all. This is an interesting app. You can also download it.